So, as the curtain closes on the series of Google Pixel 8a leaks, just days before its highly anticipated debut at the I/O Developers Conference, new revelations continue to surface. Today, courtesy of Insider on Leaks in collaboration with Smartprix, fresh marketing renders of the upcoming budget-friendly device have emerged, accompanied by pricing details that offer insights into Google's strategy. Priced at $499 for the base 128GB storage variant, and $599 for the 256GB option. The pricing of the Pixel 8a aligns closely with its predecessor, the Google Pixel 7a, known for its commendable performance, impressive camera capabilities, and feature-rich Pixel software experience. The latest marketing material showcases the Pixel 8a in a variety of colors, including the familiar blue, ceramic-inspired white, stealth black, and a new mint green variant that has garnered mixed reactions. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, what truly sets the Pixel 8a apart, according to leaks, is its promise of 7 years of OS updates, matching the commitment made by Google to its flagship Google Pixel 8 series smartphones. Furthermore, Google intends to enhance the user experience with an array of AI-powered features, such as the Audio Magic Eraser in the Google Photos app, designed to remove unwanted audio segments from video recordings seamlessly. Other notable AI-driven functionalities expected to be included are Night Sight, Best Take, Call Assist for spam screening, Circle to Search, and an email summarizer inspired by Shortwave. In terms of durability, leaks suggest that the Pixel 8a will boast an IP67 certification for water and dust resistance, providing users with peace of mind against accidental exposure to moisture. Additionally, the device is rumored to feature a 120Hz OLED display, Tensor G3 chip, and a robust 4500 mAh battery to ensure seamless performance throughout the day. According to information shared by leaker Yogesh Brar, the camera setup of the Pixel 8a is anticipated to comprise a 64-megapixel main sensor and a 13MP ultra-wide lens, complemented by a 13MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. The device is expected to offer 2 storage configurations, with fast charging support capped at 27 watts. Excitement is building for Google's upcoming annual developers conference, scheduled to kick off on May 14, where the tech giant is poised to unveil a host of generative AI features tailored for Android phones. Additionally, attendees eagerly anticipate a preview of the enhancements slated to accompany Android 15 later this year, promising further innovation and advancements in the Android ecosystem. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 8a? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.